If you're someone who is having acne and have lots and lots of hair fall, and you crave sweets like anything, and you're on antibiotics, or you just got off antibiotics, or you're someone who just wants to know how they can make their skin glow, you need to include this powerful food which is called as probiotics in your diet to clear up your skin, to balance your hormones. And in this video I'll tell you all about probiotic food. Your digestive system contains a variety and lots of bacteria. If these bacteria are not there, that's when it causes health problems like acne and hair fall. And but when you take these good bacteria, if like bad bacteria attack your body, these good bacteria are able to fight that bad bacteria and keep you healthy. And that's why taking probiotics is very very important for you. And to get your probiotics, you don't need to drink kombucha, kefir, miso, all these products. There are many foods which are present in our Indian tradition which give you good amount of bacteria. So in this video we'll see that the first probiotic is curd. Eating curd every day will keep your gut very healthy, especially if you make this curd at your own home. And don't buy this store bought curd, because usually it contains artificial sweeteners or preservatives, and most of the curds, they don't contain live bacteria. And making curd at home is super easy. You don't need much equipments to make your own curd. What you need to do is you need to take a milk and boil that milk. When after it is boiled, let it cool down till it becomes warm. After it becomes warm, you can add 1 tablespoon of curd into it and mix it properly, then cover it with a lid. By morning you will see that the curd is completely set, and you can eat that curd with your chapati, with your meals. Or you can take that curd and make it into a buttermilk. For buttermilk, it's very easy. You just need to add curd, then water, and some roasted jeera seeds. Then you need to mix it, and your buttermilk is ready, and you can take it with your meals. The third probiotic food is dhokla. Dhokla is a popular dish in Gujarat, and to make dhokla, fermentation of chickpea flour, or also called as besan, is done. And this fermentation will increase the vitamin value, means that it will have more vitamin K, B vitamins, and folic acid. So do try adding dhoklas in your diet. And the next probiotic food are your pickles. Pickles, you can make pickles by fermenting any fruits or vegetable, but most commonly mangoes, lemon, ginger, and chili, they are fermented. And adding pickle to your diet will add that extra flavor. And make sure that the pickle which you eat is homemade. And even if you're making it at home, use unrefined oil. And for salt, use rock salt to make that pickle. The next probiotic is your idlis and dosas. Idli and dosas, they are probiotic rich food, and it is made by fermenting rice and lentils. But when you make idli or dosa, you need to make it in a traditional way. You shouldn't deep fry idlis. You should steam the idlis to get maximum benefit from that idli. The next probiotic is a very powerful yet very inexpensive, is your rice kanji. For rice kanji, what you need to do is you need to take leftover rice. With that leftover rice, you need to soak it in water overnight. And during morning time, you can drink that water, or you can eat that rice with that water. And it is a really really good probiotic and a very great way to start your own day. If you're taking probiotics, you need to add prebiotics in your diet. Prebiotics are foods, and when you consume them, it doesn't get digested by your body. And this food goes to the colon where your bacteria are present, and this bacteria will start eating that food. And in return, the bacteria will get all the nutrients which it wants, and your body will be able to digest it and eliminate it from your body. Now, the best food which have prebiotics in them is first your green bananas. Don't confuse green bananas with your ripe bananas. Ripe bananas are also rich in prebiotic, but green bananas contain more prebiotic than the ripe bananas. Then the second is your black tea, green tea, even apples, onions, flaxseed contain prebiotics. If you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you get the notifications whenever I post new videos.